Welcome to Ultrafat Fotosophy channel. Today we will discuss an interesting subject.
Imagine we're sitting in a quaint cafe filled with famous photography works, and on the table in front of us is a gleaming AI device. Everyone's abuzz, debating the question, the impact of AI. Can it replace the art of photography? Picture this, an AI photographer with superpowers. This photographer doesn't need coffee breaks, never complains about bad lighting or weather, and can analyze millions of photos in seconds to master every possible technique. Imagine this super photographer sitting in a dim light-lit room, eyes glowing with streams of data, churning out breathtaking images one after another. Whether it's a sunrise or a story night, AI captures it all with jaw-dropping precision. For those needing high-quality images in the shortest time, AI is a savior. Suppose you're a busy advertising director needing a fresh campaign in 24 hours. While a human photographer might take days or weeks, AI wraps it up in hours. It adjusts lighting, composes shots, and even generates trend-setting fashion images. This way, you can enjoy more lattes instead of burning the midnight oil in the studio. AI's creativity is limitless and mind-blowing. Imagine AI blending Rembrandt's portrait style with Dali's surrealism to create never-before-seen artwork, or mimicking Van Gogh's brushstrokes to transform your backyard dog into a starry, swirling masterpiece. With such boundless creative potential, AI opens unprecedented artistic avenues. And yes, this means you could own a cat that looks like it walked out of a Picasso painting. How fun is that? Photography's allure often lies in its human emotions. A photographer standing on a vast plain, waiting for that perfect light moment, is filled with anticipation and passion. This emotional depth, this warmth of humanity, is something AI can't replicate. Imagine AI taking a wedding photo. It might perfectly capture the bride's smile and the groom's gaze, but it won't understand the significance of that moment. That emotional resonance is irreplaceable. Photography is not just about the final product. It's about the creative journey. Photographers interact with their subjects, adjust poses, and choose the best angles. This interaction is an art in itself. Imagine you and your friends capturing a sunset together, enjoying the changing light. It's an irreplaceable shared experience. AI, however, merely follows instructions, lacking that spark of spontaneous creativity. Every photographer has a unique style and perspective, which AI can't fully replicate. A photographer's personal experiences, cultural background, and inner world permeate their work, making each photo a signature piece. AI might mimic styles, but it can't create genuinely unique personal art. Imagine admiring a photo with perfect lighting and composition, but feeling something's missing out. That missing element is the photographer's soul. AI's potential in photography education is immense. AI can analyze millions of photos to provide instant feedback and suggestions, helping students rapidly improve their skills. Imagine a novice photographer learning portrait photography and receiving precise composition and lighting tips from an AI assistant. This personalized learning experience makes education more efficient and convenient. However, it raises a concern. If students rely too much on AI, will they lose the ability to create independently and the genuine passion for photography? As AI becomes prevalent in photography, the societal perception of photographers is subtly changing. Traditionally, photographers are seen as creators, their works full of personal style and emotion. In the AI era, photographers may become more like planners and directors, working with AI to achieve creative goals. This role shift brings new challenges and opportunities, requiring photographers to rethink their position and value, finding the best way to collaborate with technology. AI in photography also raises ethical issues. Should AI-generated images be labeled as such? In photojournalism, could AI be used to manipulate facts and mislead the public? These concerns go beyond technical aspects, touching on social ethics and legal regulations. Photographers, tech developers, and society must collectively address these issues to ensure AI's application aligns with ethical standards, promoting the healthy development of photographic art. Now, let's add a touch of humor. Imagine you enter a high-end photography contest where all participants are top photographers, and you decide to bring your AI assistant. The results are announced, and your AI assistant wins first place, while you receive a Best Assistant award. When asked about your thoughts, you said, "I think my AI assistant is fantastic, even better than me. But at least I got to enjoy the coffee and the beautiful scenery during the shooting." This humorous scenario reflects our mixed feelings about AI in photography. On one hand, we marvel at technological advancements and innovation. On the other, we miss the human, personalized touch in art creation. This discussion on whether AI can replace photography as an art form may never have a definitive conclusion. Every art philosophy student should explore this question through their own thoughts and practices. AI undoubtedly opens new doors for artistic expression, but what lies behind those doors, whether a flourishing garden or a foggy labyrinth, depends on how we navigate this technological wave. In the future, when we stand before AI-created photographs, we might ponder again, do these works truly possess a soul? And how do we find our artistic inspiration and creative passion in this era filled with technological marvels? Let's raise our glasses to art, to technology, and to ourselves.
Thank you for watching. Please help to subscribe, like, and share our channel. See you next time.